A basic succulent arrangement is a fun and rewarding project. Here's a step-by-step guide. Materials needed: a container with drainage holes, or a pot with gravel at the bottom for drainage, cactus or succulent potting mix, a variety of small succulents, decorative elements, optional like pebbles, sand, or small figurines. Steps. 1. Choose your container. Select a pot or container that complements the space where you plan to display your arrangement. Ensure it has drainage holes to prevent water from accumulating. 2. Prepare the potting mix. Fill the container with succulent or cactus potting mix. If your container doesn't have drainage holes, add a layer of gravel or small stones at the bottom before adding the soil. 3. Arrange the plants. Plan your arrangement before planting. Taller succulents should go in the center or the back, with shorter varieties around the edges. Gently remove each succulent from its original pot. If the roots are tightly packed, loosen them a bit with your fingers. 4. Plant the succulents. Make a small hole in the soil for each plant and place the succulents in the desired arrangement. Firmly press the soil around the base of each plant to ensure they are secure. 5. Add decorative elements. Optional. Once all the succulents are planted, you can add decorative elements like pebbles, sand, or small figurines to enhance the visual appeal. 6. Water sparingly. Lightly water the arrangement immediately after planting. Succulents don't need much water, so let the soil dry out completely between waterings. Generally, watering once every 2 weeks is sufficient. 7. Place in bright light. Position your arrangement in a spot where it will receive plenty of bright, indirect sunlight. Avoid direct sunlight, which can scorch the leaves. Maintenance tips. Monitor. Watering. Overwatering is the most common mistake. Ensure the soil is dry before watering again. Check for pests. Regularly inspect your plants for signs of pests like aphids or mealybugs. Rotate the arrangement. If the light source is coming from one direction, rotate the pot occasionally to ensure even growth. By following these steps, you'll create a beautiful and low-maintenance succulent arrangement that can thrive indoors or outdoors.